Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many of us face when dealing with encrypted disk partitions. So, the problem at hand is that we have a raw image of a disk with 4 encrypted LUKS partitions, but we need to provide paths to each partition for a password recovery tool. However, we can't mount the partitions because we can't remember the password, and we don't have the hardware to restore the image to a real drive. Now, let's dive into the solution. The key here is using the losetup command with the partscan option. By running sudo losetup find show partscan image, we can have the kernel scan the partition table on the loop device created from the image. This will give us the whole image as a block device devloopN and the partitions as devloopN PM. Moving on with the solution, we can use the lsblk command to list all block devices. This will help us identify the loop device and its partitions devloopN PM, and ensure that the sizes match our expectations. Next, we can use sudo file skr devloopN PM to verify the partition's file type and size. This step is crucial in confirming that we have correctly identified and accessed the individual partitions within the image. To wrap things up, once we're done with our operations on the partitions, we can safely detach the image using sudo losetup detach devloopN. This will release the loop device and ensure that the image is no longer in use. In summary, by utilizing the losetup command with the partscan option, we can efficiently work with and extract data from individual partitions within a raw disk image. So, that concludes our video for today. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay safe and happy partition exploring.